Hi, I'm John Gallus, and this is Cody, Wyoming, and I manufacture, design, build Western furniture. We've been here 15 years, and Cody's been real good to us. There's a real good furniture market here, and we build what I consider refined Western furniture. It's not fence post headboards. It's furniture primarily made out of walnut with juniper trim. We use antler handle accents. And we finish everything top and bottom and do a real good job at designing desks, love seats, beds, side tables. I've been doing woodworking for 37 years, originally from Long Island, New York, where I did work for Bloomingdale's. I was their chief cabinet maker and did all their custom wall units, and moved out here, and it's a safe place to live and get to do some really nice furniture and meet some really great people and enjoy the outdoors. Everything we do here is handmade, one of a kind. We basically work from a client's wish list. They tell me what size desk they want, what features, hidden drawers, anything like that, and then we give them a sketch and we fabricate it for them. We currently have about a year backlog, and it's working out quite nicely where we have really great clients. They come to us and the product's pre-sold. They've seen our product either in magazines or at shows, and the furniture basically sells itself now. We have a crew of 4 employees, 4 dedicated craftsmen, and we all have our specialized job, whether it's the finishing or design or rough cutting, or we do a lot of carving on our pieces with a angle grinder, and we sit on our little milk stool and just grind away, and I think we have a very good product. I'm proud of it, and very passionate about what it is we do here, and I'm very blessed with being able to live in Cody and do what I love. This is one of our desks. This will eventually be a fly tying desk, and it's walnut with our native juniper trim. We use antler handles or accents. In this drawer front, this was one piece of wood, and we just plant it and cut it so that the grain continues from one drawer to the next. And that helps in making it have better continuity. The drawer front in the center, as our pencil drawer, we typically use the feather or the crotch just because it has so much beauty. It's from reactionary wood, which most people don't like to use because it's very unstable, but we managed to process it and stabilize it. And the beauty just speaks for itself. The drawers are dovetail drawers. In this case, we use a full extension drawer slide just for efficiency, that you can really open a drawer completely without having it fall out. A lot of our construction is either sliding dovetails or manual screws. We attach the antler fronts handles through the front, and then we put a antler epoxy in there. This makes it for a very strong bond, and we have a screw through there rather than trying to put a screw through the back and into the soft core of the antler. It makes for a better job. We have a system of putting our tops on. This is a one-piece top. This will be also a walnut top, and we kind of have elongated holes where we screw the top down, and that makes for the top to be able to expand and contract without cracking or tearing apart the carcass. Typically we'll put a little lubricant over here, like a Vaseline, so when we put the top down here, this top is free to slide in and out with seasonal changes. This is our partner's desk. I had the urge to build a desk that was set up for 2 people, and it's a book match of itself, exact mirror image of itself. This was a walnut tree, and we had the sister board, which when we get the wood, we open it up, and so the grain on this half of the desk is exactly the same as that. And we have these free-floating pieces here, depending on the configuration the client would want, where they can move these around, put 2 of them together, and one partner could use this one, and another partner could use that one, or both of them can be put on one end. This is the production part of our shop where we produce several items at a time. This slab over here is the top to that desk that was in the showroom. This is a piece of English walnut, and it's getting ready to be hand carved. For the edge, we have the freeform shape on it now, and it's basically been mated to the top of that desk to have the same lines and profile to fit that. We have the upper unit over there to that same desk, and it's in the roughing stages where we will be fitting drawers and drawer fronts and do the final applied poles with the juniper. This is a slant top desk. This is the drawing I gave the client for approval. This is made out of quartered white oak. So we started, this is a piece of juniper, and we split it in half so that I can put one on each side, and it helps to soften the kind of angular shape of this piece, and it does do a good job of making it look more Western or more relaxed or more organic. So we'll put this on each side, and we'll also put a leg on the back, and that will sit on top of a base, and you will sit here and pull the drop leaf top down to right. The pigeon coops over here have 11 drawers, and they're all on a curve. You more or less sit in the desk. You get that impression that it's wrapping around you. This is the drop leaf desk for that desk, and what I'm now is in the process of putting these applied poles on for this fan pattern. The process is we basically get twigs and sticks and slice them in half and sand them smooth and put a round over on it, cut it to the proper lengths, and then I take a series of the same pieces but just put a little point on them, and when we assemble everything, it should give a rather nice fan pattern to it, and we'll do that on both sides. This is our collection of juniper that we harvest locally. We go up in the mountains, we get what's called a firewood permit, and we go up there, and it allows us to get standing dead juniper. And people come back here and they say, oh, firewood, but when I look at it, I see furniture. I see really great pieces of furniture, future pieces, like this great piece with this curve. This would be a leg to probably a desk that we will cut off probably around here. Everything we have has that little flow, that organic feel. I'm John Gallus, and this is Cody, Wyoming. I'm a furniture designer, builder of Western refined furniture, and we briefly had a small tour of my studio here. If you're ever in the area, come on down. We'd love to show you the place personally. Thank you for watching eCountry Lifestyle, and come on down. Cody's a great place to visit.